What is OnlyFans and how does it work?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore OnlyFans, a platform that has taken the digital content sharing world by storm. From its main features to how it operates, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what OnlyFans is all about.
What is OnlyFans?
OnlyFans is an online platform where creators can monetize their content by selling directly to their fans. The content can span various categories, such as fitness, cooking, music, fashion, and more. Notably, OnlyFans gained popularity in the adult entertainment industry, but its usage has expanded far beyond that niche.
How does OnlyFans work?
OnlyFans operates on a subscription-based model. Creators set a monthly subscription price for their fans, who in return gain exclusive access to the creators' feeds where they can view the content. The pricing can vary from creator to creator, and fans also have the option to purchase additional content via pay-per-view messages. Beyond this, creators can interact directly with their subscribers via messages, further enhancing the connection between creators and fans. It's important to note that OnlyFans takes a 20% commission from the creator's earnings.
How can you become an OnlyFans creator?
The process of becoming an OnlyFans creator is pretty straightforward. After signing up on the platform, you can set your subscription price and start sharing content. However, you must be 18 years or older to use the platform. Before you can earn money, you'll need to provide some identification for verification purposes. Remember, as a creator, you're in control of what you share, and you can post as much or as little as you like.
How can you subscribe to an OnlyFans creator?
Subscribing to a creator on OnlyFans is also quite simple. Once you've created an account, you can find and select a creator, then click on the subscribe button and agree to the monthly subscription fee. Keep in mind, you'll need a valid payment method to complete the process. And that's it. Now, you know what OnlyFans is and how it works. From content creators seeking to monetize their talents to fans eager to support and interact directly with them, this platform has revolutionized the way digital content is consumed. We hope this video has given you valuable insight into the intriguing world of OnlyFans.